You won't believe how easy it is to cool down a room without air conditioning. First, take a PVC pipe and cut it into 2 equal pieces. Now, take the first plastic bottle and cut off the top section just below the neck. Insert one of the prepared PVC pipe pieces into the bottle neck and make sure it fits snugly. Next, wrap the connection thoroughly with electrical tape so it is airtight, secure, and stable. Now, prepare the second plastic bottle and repeat exactly the same steps. Cut off the top just below the neck, insert the second PVC pipe piece, and carefully seal the connection by wrapping it several times with electrical tape. Once both bottles are ready, heat up a soldering iron and make 2 small holes near the edge of each bottle on opposite sides. Hold the first bottle against the front of the fan. Thread zip ties through the holes and tighten them firmly so the bottle stays securely in place while the fan is running. Trim off the excess ends of the zip ties. Turn the fan around and attach the second bottle to the back in exactly the same way. Then trim the remaining zip ties there as well. Next, prepare a plastic container with a lid. Place the PVC pipe against the lid and use a marker to mark where the openings should be. Using the heated soldering iron, carefully make openings that match the diameter of the pipes so they fit tightly when inserted. Then make 1 additional small vent hole. Make sure it is not too large. Insert the PVC pipes into the prepared openings and check that everything is secure. Open the container and fill it with plenty of ice cubes. Close the lid tightly and make sure all the parts are properly connected. Finally, switch on the fan. The air will pass through the ice-filled container and then flow out through the pipes as a noticeably cooler stream of air, providing welcome relief on hot days. Before turning the device on, the room was extremely hot and almost unbearable. After just a short time, the cooler and more comfortable airflow was clearly noticeable. Stop wasting money on an expensive air conditioner during hot weather. This simple fan trick can make your home feel cooler in just a minute. A regular fan usually just circulates warm air, so it provides only a slight cooling effect. But with one simple trick, the airflow can feel much cooler and far more refreshing on hot days. First, turn the fan around so you can easily access the back. You'll need 2 large plastic bottles, a few zip ties, and a soldering iron. Turn each bottle upside down and cut around the bottom, but don't cut it off completely. Leave a small section attached to create a flap that you can easily open later to add ice. Next, use the heated soldering iron to make plenty of small holes all over both bottles. Spread them evenly so the cooled air can flow freely through the bottles. Attach the bottles securely to the back of the fan using the zip ties, making sure they stay firmly in place while the fan is running. Loosen the bottle caps slightly. This allows air to flow through the bottles more easily and absorb the cold from the ice inside. Open the flaps and fill each bottle with plenty of ice cubes, then close them again. As the ice cools the passing air, the fan will blow a much cooler and more refreshing breeze throughout the room. Finally, switch on the fan and point it toward where you're sitting. It's a simple and inexpensive DIY cooling trick that can make hot days much more comfortable without the need for an air conditioner. A simple trick that can lower the temperature in your home by several degrees. The key is one small addition that makes the effect surprisingly strong. Air conditioners can be very expensive to buy and consume a lot of electricity, so it's worth knowing cheaper and easier alternatives. Take a large empty bottle and fill it with tap water, but not all the way. Leave some space. Put the bottle in the freezer until it's completely frozen. Once the ice is ready, place the bottle in a high spot in the room. Remember, warm air rises and cool air sinks, so the height really matters. You can also place the bottle in front of a fan to spread the cool air more quickly throughout the room. Don't forget to put a plate underneath to catch the condensation so your furniture or floor doesn't get wet. Now comes the secret ingredient that makes this method so effective. Adding table salt to the water, about 10% salt to 70% water, helps the ice last longer and cool the room more efficiently. With this simple trick, your home will feel pleasantly cool, and you can survive the heat without an air conditioner. Here's how to cool your home without air conditioning. A hot, stuffy apartment during a heat wave can be a real nightmare if you don't have AC. Luckily, there's a simple, tried-and-true method that will help you get through those scorching days and cool your space effectively. But before I show you this great idea, remember to avoid basic mistakes that make your place even hotter. Don't open your windows during the day. That just lets in hot air. Keep them covered with blinds or curtains to block the sun and reduce heat buildup. The best way to cool your home is to make your own DIY air conditioner. It's an inexpensive and easy trick that can make a big difference. Start by adding a tablespoon of table salt to a large container. Salt lowers the freezing point of water, so the saltwater ice cubes get colder than regular ice and melt more slowly. Next, pour in about a quart of water and stir until the salt dissolves. Pour the solution into ice cube trays and freeze it. Once the cubes are ready, drop them into a metal bowl and place it in front of a running fan. The air blowing over the ice will become noticeably cooler, spreading refreshing air throughout the room. It's a clever way to beat the heat even on the hottest days, without spending money on expensive equipment. You don't need to install an expensive air conditioner. This kind of fan can cool the entire apartment. Just take a regular fan and also prepare a styrofoam box, preferably one intended for food purposes. You will also need 2 plastic pipes. Using a pen, trace the ends of each pipe onto the lid of the box. This is important because you will insert the plastic pipes there later. Then, using a heated tool, make holes in the lid. Do this carefully so that the box is airtight once the pipes are inserted. Now prepare the next part of the air conditioner. Take 2 large bottles, such as those used for beverages or water. Cut them so that the upper part remains intact. Then, attach the bottles to the previously prepared pipes, which you can reinforce with tape for better airtightness. If the pipes have plastic ends, cut them off. Use the heated tool again to make 2 holes in each bottle. It is important that they are opposite each other. Pass the pipes with the bottles through the prepared holes in the lid of the styrofoam box. Attach the bottle ends to the fan using zip ties, one on the front and the other on the back side of the fan. This air conditioner is almost ready. All you need to do is put ice into the container. The more ice you use, the colder the air that will be blown out. Just a few seconds after adding the ice and turning on the fan, cold air starts blowing. The effect is amazing. It works like a real air conditioner. This kind of air conditioner is a lifesaver on hot days. You will avoid a large expense and can enjoy air conditioning at home.